A subscriber asked me for the source of a video that I posted back in December 2010 from some alleged Russian cosmonauts in space. Apparently, some skeptics are having a hard time believing that I didn't fake it. Sadly, the original Russian space video is no longer available on YouTube. This is what comes up when you click on the link. I assume the video has been blocked because YouTube bans anything from Russia Today, RT, due to the war in Ukraine. Fortunately, I did take a screenshot of the original video, which I'm showing here, and I still have the full download of the video. I'm just going to share about 50 seconds of the original space video to prove that I did not take the video out of context or manipulate it somehow. But if someone wants to see the whole source video unedited, I will have a link in the description where I have uploaded it.
Так, включена камера. Выполняю съемку.
Самое сильное – это открывающийся вид на Землю на 360 градусов. Чернота космоса над ней. Обзор не ограничен.
There is no debate here. This video was filmed in water. The particles in the water are following the flow of the water caused by the movement of the alleged cosmonaut in the water. They are faking space in a swimming pool. Thanks for watching.
Това, което става в космоса. Те просто не знаят нищо такова. Ние не сме били в космоса. Ако някой твърди това, това не е вярно, не е истина.